In this video, I'm going to show you how you can actually make free PayPal money. All right, I'm going to be showing you 3 apps here that is going to be entirely passive, meaning you don't have to put any work into this and you're going to be making money while you sleep. I love that phrase, making money while you sleep. All right, so like I was saying, you will be making money through PayPal. PayPal will be paying you out, okay? So if you guys are new to this channel, thank you for joining me. My name is David Gutierrez and I do talk about affiliate marketing, passive income, different ways to make money online, all right? So if you guys are new to this channel, please subscribe, hit that button, and also hit that bell so you guys can get notified when I put out new content, new videos, so you could actually be one of the first ones to start checking it out, okay? So let's go ahead and get into this. I'm actually excited with this because this is actually legit. I've seen it, I've tried it, and it actually works, okay? So let's go ahead and jump into this computer here. This is actually my first, this is my YouTube channel. Now, before I show you these actual apps, if you wanna actually start an online business, an affiliate marketing business, I'm gonna show you how you could actually start making $1,000 a day, just like this right here, towards the end of the video, okay? So stick with me, I'm gonna show you and it's gonna make sense. Once we get to the end here, let's jump in, all right? So the first one is going to be Make Money. That's what it's called, okay? The website is gonna be called Make Money. You earn money for receiving text messages. That's pretty much all you do. So the basic concept on this is you're gonna be downloading this app. You can actually see right here, install and earn money. You're gonna earn money by installing this app, okay, on your phone. Now, this only works on Androids, okay? So sorry if you guys are iPhone users. I used to be an Android, now I'm actually an iPhone user, so I don't use this anymore, but this is gonna be for Android users. And a lot of people have also asked me from like my TikTok videos and all that stuff that I have before, that if it's secure, and you can kind of see here that it actually is, okay? So the way this actually works is you install this app on your phone, you pretty much register it, right? You registered everything, and then what they're gonna be doing is they're gonna be sending you messages, okay? Text messages, SMS messages. That's pretty much all they do. And that's how you get paid. For every text message that you receive, you get paid, okay? Now, people do ask me, why do you actually get paid to receive text messages, okay? So I pulled it up down here in the general and the ask questions. Why do I earn money for receiving messages, okay? Companies worldwide want to send important SMS messages to consumers like yourself, so it's crucial for them to test available SMS routes worldwide in order for them to secure a proper delivery. So SMS is going to be the actual company, and other companies that want to make sure that they have to send out important messages, documents, whatever the case is, to certain people. This is where they go and test it, okay? So they actually send messages to us saying, okay, this signal got tested and it actually reached that person, right? It reached me and I actually received it, and they just want to make sure that it's actually getting sent. This message is getting sent. They're checking their computers, their systems, everything in the back to make sure. So that is basically the only reason why they do this, and of course for your time or for downloading, for helping them out, you get paid. Now, it is not a lot of money. I'll show you right now in the next section how much you actually get. It's not a lot of money, but that is why you're gonna stick with me to the end, so you could actually learn how to start making $1,000 a day, okay? That's actually a good chunk. So this is the first one, okay? Make Money. Now the second one is going to be, the second app is going to be called Cash for SMS. You kind of see it up here, Cash for SMS. Same thing, okay? Same concept. Obviously it's going to be, what you do is you actually download it. We are ready to buy these unused messages from you, and then of course you install our map, get monthly cash back of up to 45 cents, and by simply doing nothing, okay? Once again, that's a key word, nothing, meaning you get paid passively. Passive income is, as I was saying in the beginning, make money while you sleep, right? Or while you're working, while you're spending time with the kids. You just pretty much make money while you not being there. Same concept, all right? So simple as you check your phone, you activate your profile, and then they're sending you sent the number of SMS to sell. So basic concept, everything that's actually happening does the same thing here, okay? So for example, let's say, and they actually put an example on here. Let's say you have 200 free SMS messages, but you only use about 100 each month. This is what you're gonna get. Typically on each 4, you're gonna get about 3 cents per message, okay? So 3 cents is not a lot, but once again, this is free money for you not doing anything, okay? Now they also are going to cash you out through PayPal, as I was saying earlier. And of course, this is pretty much, I've actually read through this, but if you want to go through there, of course, do your research. You're gonna, so many questions if you want some information, whatever the case is, but it's pretty much easy, right? So honestly, when I started doing this, I was actually excited because I would actually start seeing cash, or actually start building it up just by not doing nothing. Okay, cash for SMS is going to be the second one, and then the last one is going to be my favorite. It used to be my favorite, which was going to be money SMS. Okay, once again, same concept, same thing. What you do is you make money online. Let's come down here and let's go through it. Okay, so once again, this one also works through Android. Okay, so the bottom line, all three of these are going to be through Android. So you're an iPhone user, sorry guys, it doesn't work for iPhones or Apples. It's only for Androids. You're going to earn money online. This is once again also secure, so you don't have to worry about people stealing your information, your identity, whatever the case is. It's secure. And what's actually good about this is they also have a referral program. Okay, so when you refer your friends, right, that don't want to do anything or whatever, want to make some cash, you can actually refer them through your actual code. They're going to be making money, and also you're going to be getting a referral commission for bringing them in. Okay, and of course, it's once again, it's free. So easy, simple. And here it is. You kind of see right here that PayPal is going to be paying you out, and once you get that money in PayPal, you could actually do whatever you want with it, where you can get Amazon gift cards, transfer it to your bank, start buying stuff. Doesn't matter what you want. Okay, so these are the 3 apps that actually pay you passively. Keyword is passively, to be pretty much not doing anything, right? You're helping them out, and of course for reward or whatever, they're going to actually pay you back. So the first one, once again, let's go through it. Make money. It's going to be the first one. Second one's going to be cash for SMS, and the third one is going to be money SMS. Now guys, these are the 3 apps. As I was saying earlier, they do not pay as much. 3 cents a message is not going to actually get you pretty far. But what it is going to get you is to save up a little bit of money, where you could actually begin to invest in this new training or this other course, where you could actually start making $1,000 a month. Okay, this is what I went through, and I started my program, my affiliate marketing business, that now makes me about $1,000 a month. Okay guys, so what this is if you guys are serious on making money online, where you want to either quit your 9-to-5 job, make extra money so you can send your kids to school, buy that dream house, start saving up for vacation, for whatever the case is, even paying off debt, whatever the case is, if you want to start making extra cash for it, this is what I truly recommend. Okay, start making money online. 2021 is going to be the year, and we all seen it back in 2020, how the whole world got shut down through COVID, and we're all working online, right? Using Zoom, internet, whatever the case is. Everything is going online, all right guys? So if you want to start creating your own affiliate marketing business, check out the link down in the description. It's going to be the first one there. It's going to actually walk you through everything, explaining what affiliate marketing is, how to do it, how you actually earn, and it's gonna take you step by step how to get traffic, leads, and how to convert. Okay guys, if you guys don't know what affiliate marketing is, you want some more information, I will put a card up here that's gonna show you another video that's gonna explain everything step by step and detailed, from A to Z. Okay, but like I was saying, use these 3 apps here to get that cash, and then save that up, and then you're going to start off and you're going to invest it into your affiliate marketing business. Okay, and then once you actually invested in that, that's how you're going to actually have your money to grow. All right guys, so that is all I got for you for today. If you guys have any questions, any comments, throw them down here in the comments. I read to all of them. I get through all you guys. If you guys haven't subscribed, please subscribe to this channel. That way you could actually get more. It'll help out the algorithm, but as well as you'll also receive new videos and new content that I put out. All right guys, so until then guys, appreciate it, and I'll see you guys on the next one.